So this is what we're working with on this window. I turn it around like that. Do it that way, I think. Yeah. All buggered down the bottom, and all buggered down the bottom now. So what we're going to do is we're going to take it off to that point there, so that when we join it, the joint will actually be protected. Wait a minute there, take that across there, the joint will be protected from the wet elements, and that whole section will be new, because if you're cutting in a little bit, it's just as easy to cut in a big bit. This is why the sash windows haven't worked. Right, we've had a clean up, taken away all the rotten stuff, and all we're left with is a bloody great hole. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. 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 This isn't so much carpentry as archaeology. That's what the head looks like. So that needs to be re-supported. Now that's a lintel going all the way through there, so that should be okay. Well, this morning there was a window there.